Gracias a los conectados, saluditos, estamos en Venice Beach. Last night I was at the LA Convention Center at Anime Expo. I was there last night. I walked around 2 hours. I'm tired as hell, but here I am again. Back again. La madre, aquí está el diablo.
You like getting out of here tonight, but we gotta get out.
All right. Looking at the city.
I can't get one. Okay.
No, podría hacer otra vez.
Thank you guys for that likes. Thank you guys for those likes. Thank you so much. That really helps. Those likes really help. There we go, we're back on. I lost signal there for a minute. I'm gonna try to walk to the skate park. Let's see how far it is. The skate park. Está la jura. Hey Kelly, this is Venice Beach. Venice Beach, California.
So I know what Josh wants. And so like, he's just not operating in the manner of what he wants.
Nice. Martin, thank you for tuning in from Europe. Thank you, my friend. Thank you. Please help me out with the likes, guys. So I can walk some more. London's in the house. Today, is Chelsea playing today? Chelsea versus Palmeiras, I believe, a team from Brazil, if I'm not mistaken. I'm Team Chelsea, by the way.
Choose, beautiful people.
But then they lost everybody. There we go. Sorry, the signal here is pretty bad. Or at least it's just my phone.
Otherwise, I put it up myself.
En la signal. En la moda.
Guys.
Yeah, I'm sorry guys, I think I lost signal back there. Like I was saying, yeah, we're walking Venice Beach, California. 4th of July weekend.
Yeah, you probably just roam.